welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Basically, I'm installing Xenon lights, but I'm gonna take you through the whole process. Yeah, so I bought this kit from AutoStyle in Mayfair for 850. It's Osram. They say this is the best quality they have at the moment, so I went for this one. So we'll see how long it lasts and how bright it is when I drive here. So yeah, Osram. So you need it's a T30. So you need a T30. Take out the clamp. This clamp, similar to the one on the left hand side. So what you do, you just push it out, and then the light is out. So it's just gonna be like this. Yeah. This is your normal driving light. This is your bright and park lights, and then this is your indicator light. So I'm just gonna change this one. This one I'm gonna leave as standard. This one is standard as well. So let's change this one. So it's held by these two screws. You have pliers here that hold on to the light. So what you do, you just twist it like this. You take it out, and this is your light. So what you do, you need to take out the light and this clamp that is holding it in place, that assists you to put this light in place. So let me just take out the light. So you're gonna have something like this. So your Xenon light needs to connect to this, and this power source that will connect to this plug. So Xenon lights, they come with, this is a bulb, and then this is your power source. So these two need to connect and connect to the plug as well. So be careful not to break it. Eh? Very fragile and very expensive. Eh? So what I do, just to be safe, I just cut this thing. I'm not gonna use it again. Cut it, and it's open. You're still gonna need this thing to hold your light in place, because this thing, it comes as this, it comes like this, similar to this. So what you need the clamp to hold on to the plug like this. So let me put it in. I cut this rubber. Just be careful, don't cut the wires. Right, take these guys, put them in here. Okay, let me start with the big one. So it's nicely in place. There's no wobbling or moving around. So you can put your bulb in. Okay, and it's in. Your bulb is in. You need to cut your cover here so that these wires can go through here. so that you can connect to your power source. In and then in. And close. Close. When I need this cable, these ones will go to the plug. Yeah, that's one plug. This one to the power source. Okay. This will go here. These ones will connect together as well. That's it, done. Let's plug it in and see if it works. So before we say hello, you put it in. Just need to make sure it works. Is it working? Nope, not working. No. Right. Let's swap the wires. Let's swap it. Who's it? Sharp.